I'm the Secretary General of the European Biogas Association. The European Biogas Association represents the full biogases value chain. We are active in 35 countries, and we represent at the moment 300 members. Most of them are corporate, working along the full biogases value chain. Many of them are also university and research centers, and others are national associations. The sector can achieve it. This is the short answer. The more complicated one is that at the moment, Europe provides 21 billion cubic meters of combined biogas and biomethane. This means that we will have to grow immensely in the coming next years. And in order to do that, we need a solid legislative framework, but also a good business environment. The good news about it is that the planning exercises from the member states are going in the right direction, and we see that many member states are including in their energy planning biomethane targets and biogas targets. So this is good news. But we need to see also that all the pieces of the puzzle are fitting together, and therefore we need particularly attention to the end uses, so making sure that biomethane can be used for industry, for transport, and also for the residential sector. At the moment, the sector is growing quite rapidly in Europe. Europe is also the global leader in terms of tech manufacturing for biogas and biomethane, and this is certainly an opportunity. The challenge lays with the regulatory sphere, and we need the long-term certainty and probably also a mandatory target to make sure that the sector is accompanied in its growth. First of all, 2024 is a milestone year. We are going to have European election in June. And this is going to change the landscape and also the European Parliament. It's also bringing some opportunities. In February, the European Commission will publish a strategy, the climate target plan, to make sure that we are ready to reach carbon neutrality by 2050 and fixing maybe some targets for 2040. So we would like to carve out a space for biogas and biomethane in the long term. We would like to see targets in 2040 for our sector. There are also some of the legislative measures in the Fit for 55 that will need to be transposed in member states. For example, the Renewable Energy Directive 3. And we are also looking at the end of the negotiation over important files such as the heavy-duty vehicle CO2 standards.